It's a new day, and with that comes a new set of challenges for you and your business. At Linehaul, it's just another day. We're here to do what we do best, provide your business the parts, service, equipment, and industry knowledge to keep you moving. We are fueled by our unparalleled commitment to our customers. Conveniently located in northern Cincinnati, we stock many of the common items required by your fleet. Can't find the parts you need? Linehaul has got you covered. With hundreds of vendors, we have extensive parts coverage. You're on the move, and so are we. With a fleet of delivery vehicles and drivers ready to roll, your parts are only just a phone call away. Keeping your fleet in tip-top shape is our priority. Whether it's scheduled maintenance or a complete overhaul, Linehaul is ready to service your vehicle. From gasoline pickups to Class 8 rigs, your vehicle has a home in our garage. There's no job too big or too small at Linehaul Heavy Duty. At Linehaul Truck Sales, we buy and sell the vehicles you need when it's time to expand and upgrade your operation. We offer competitive financing with timely service to enable you to do more with your business. At the end of the day, Linehaul is here for you and your business. After all, we are the people that keep you moving. Give us a call, check out our website, or better yet, stop by our Evendale location.